Most Honorable Reverend Father Peter Arokeswamy SJ, Honorable Director, respected Principal Shubda Ma'am, and last but not the least, our alumni, the management committee, and all the family members of Infant Jesus School, who are the part and parcel of this institution. In my modest words, I hope and request your being cooperation throughout this celebration, a day that enables the alumni to notice the change and developments happened in this campus then and now. I extremely feel honored and privileged to have the chance to express my gratitude towards each and every one of you present here for sparing some time to be with all of us tonight. We know that it takes a lot to take some time out of your busy schedule and come over. But I believe that the experiences of this evening, which you will take home, will worth the time you all have spent.
ये पिछले बार है क्या?
The inaugural event of the evening.
ये
Thank
पिछले
you,
बार
Mr. I wish to call
पिछले बार
upon
पिछले बार
our
सेकंड
chief guest,
सेकंड ये
Reverend Father Peter Arokeswamy SJ, our director, Mr. Bhakti
है
Srivastava, our principal, Mr. Ranjan Joseph, our head, the
ये
gallery,
देखिए कैमरामैन को मैंने तेरा अब देखिए अब सुंदर हो गई है पहले ऐसे नहीं थी। अर्जुन सर कैमरा ऑफ रखा हुआ है सब ऑन रखा हुआ है ऑन करें क्या नहीं हम पागल की तरह लग रहे हैं पहले ठीक ठाक खोले तब ऑन करेंगे 1-2 मिनट के लिए
कीप इट ऑफ कैमरा ऑफ कर लीजिए
हैं
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Sabila Rashid, from 2008 batch, extend a warm welcome to each one of you present here on behalf of Infant Jesus family. Today we have with us alumni members joining in from varied fields across the world. I thank each one of you for taking out time from your busy schedule and attending this alumni meet of our alma mater, Infant Jesus School. Although it's a virtual meet, a lot of our alumni are present here physically, so I thank them as well. Thank you for making out time. I understand this alumni meet is different, and that is now not how you would have imagined it to be. But like we all have learned this new normal of attending meetings, classes, weddings, and concerts, then why not alumni meet? Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya, which means the lamp leads us from darkness towards light. Any occasion is incomplete without the auspicious tradition of lighting the lamp and seeking the blessings of the Almighty. I request Annapurna ma'am and Gautam sir and other faculty members for the lighting of the lamp. I invite all of you to join the same.
We are going to start our program with the lighting of the lamp. I invite our Honorable Principal, Sir Ranjan Sir, Abhay Kumar Sir, and IGES Alumni Association active committee members.
मेरा अकाउंट बनाया है ना
पुराओ माटी रंगाओ इस प्रांगण आवेंगे, आज अतिथि इस प्रांगण आवेंगे। खबर सुनाऊं जो खुशी है बताऊं जो, आज अतिथि इस प्रांगण आवेंगे, आज अतिथि इस प्रांगण आएंगे।
देखी मंगल गावोरी, धरती अंबर सजाओरी, दीप ज्योति जलाओरी, उतरे की आज ऐना माँ की सवारी। हर कोई काजल लाओरी, मोहे काला टीका लगाओरी, दीप ज्योति जलाओरी, उनकी छब से दिखूं मैं तो प्यारी। लक्ष्मी जीवारो नजर उतारो,
लक्ष्मी जीवारो नजर उतारो, आज अतिथि इस प्रांगण आवेंगे, आज अतिथि इस प्रांगण आवेंगे।
आज अतिथि इस प्रांगण आवेंगे, आज अतिथि इस प्रांगण आवेंगे।
I request all of you to kindly mute your mic so that we can conduct the program smoothly. Thank you. Today, we all have gathered here from a safe distance. Let's take a moment to pause and appreciate being able to survive this rough patch that we all have been through in this 1 year. To make this gathering a blessed one, let us join in for prayer, which has been presented by the students from Muzaffarpur Diocese under the guidance of Right Reverend Bishop Cajetan Francis Oster.
We are happy to meet together as former students of Infant Jesus School, Patna City. We thank God for bringing us together, at least virtually, to remember the old good times that we had together in this alma mater. At the very outset of this gathering, let us spend some time gratefully in the company of God, who is not only present in each of us, but also among us.
जब जब होई धर्म के हानि, बाढ़ई असुर अधम अभिमानी, तब तब प्रभुधर विविध शरीरा, हरहि कृपा निधि सज्जन पीरा। ईश्वर समय समय पर हमारे मार्गदर्शन हेतु अपने अवतारों को भेजता रहा है और रहेगा, क्योंकि ईश्वर हमारा परम पिता अत्यंत कृपालु है। वह मानव मात्र से अगाध प्रेम करता है और संसार में प्रकटित प्रत्येक धर्म उसके इस प्रेम का अचूक साक्ष्य है।
जब सबकी एक है धरती और सबका एक गगन, फिर काहे को फिरता कोई काम में मगन, कोई काम में मगन। सब धर्मों का सभी जगह हो सुंदर एक भवन, जिसके प्रांगण में हो एकता शांति और अमन, हृदय एक हो सबके, एक हो सबकी भावना, मिलके करे सब प्रार्थना तब आएगी सद्भावना, मिलके करे सब प्रार्थना तब आएगी सद्भावना।
जिन लोगों ने अपने पालनहार की प्रसन्नता के लिए धैर्य से काम किया, नमाज की स्थापना की तथा जो कुछ भी हमने उन्हें प्रदान किया उसमें से खुले और छुपे रूप से दान किया, तो वही है जिनके लिए परलोक का घर।
इसलिए तू निरंतर आसक्ति रहित होकर कर्तव्य कर्म का भली भांति आचरण कर, क्योंकि आसक्ति रहित होकर काम करता हुआ मनुष्य परमात्मा को प्राप्त हो जाता है। अपने शत्रुओं से प्रेम करो, जो तुमसे बैर करता है उसकी भलाई करो, जो तुम्हें श्राप देते हैं उनको आशीर्वाद दो, जो तुम्हारे साथ दुर्व्यवहार करते हैं उनके लिए प्रार्थना करो, जो तुम्हारे एक गाल पर थप्पड़ मारता है दूसरा भी उसके सामने कर दो। दूसरों से अपने प्रति जैसा व्यवहार चाहते हो तुम भी उनके प्रति वैसा ही किया करो।
We worship God according to our various faiths. We know that He is like our parent, giving us all that we need, caring for us, guiding us, protecting us from all that is bad and dangerous. As a token of our gratitude, we even offer something or other to God. But what does God want from us according to our holy books? As our father and mother, He wants us to live like real brothers and sisters. He is happy when we love one another, help, care for, and protect one another. He does not need our offerings. The whole universe is His. But His children, our brothers and sisters, whatever be their religion or caste or class or nationality, needs our offerings. When we love one another, we love God. When we help one another, we give our offerings to Him. When we act honestly, justly, we please Him. When we avoid corruption and dishonest dealings, we prove to be His children. Let's ask His strength to become brother and sister to one another and thus be real children of God.
Let us pray for our state and country and for our youth rulers that they may listen to the voice of God and for the good of citizens while fulfilling their duty to God.
Let us pray for all the people of the world and the leaders of various countries that all may enjoy health, prosperity and peace.
Let us pray for our school, that it may continue to serve many children of our community, learning their characteristics and building up our nation.
Let us pray for all the past students and staff of Infant Jesus School that they may continue live the human values learned here and live as responsible citizens and brothers and sisters to one another.
Let us pray for all those who are sick, poor, homeless, unemployed, and especially those in our neighborhood and city, that we may be able to bring support and comfort to them and thus live as real children of God.
Oh Lord, I cry for peace. Purify my eyes to see it and my mind to understand. Purify my heart to love it and my memory to work for peace. That comes from your love and compassion. Oh Lord, sustain my vision of peace, following your inspiration and the many ways that you reveal. Your presence and your love for all humanity, with your constant style in dialogue, you care for all. Make me, oh Lord, live in dialogue with you and rediscover the meaning of my life, moving in harmony with all of creation. Give me, O Lord, the courage to live in dialogue in the midst of divisions and conflicts, and to build peace with all people of sincere hearts who believe in your love and compassion.
Amen. All are here today because almost 4 decades ago, someone dreamt of establishing this noble educational institution in Patna city, Bihar. Our beloved Miss A. Joseph Ma'am. May God bless her departed soul. Today, February 9th, marks her 88th birthday. So let's commemorate the founder of our school and pay our hearty tribute to her.
आज का ये दिन हम सबके लिए काफी खास है। आज हमारी सबसे चहेती हेड मैम का 88वां जन्मदिन है। मैं शुभदा मैम से अनुरोध करूंगा कि माल्यार्पण कर कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करें। सहाय सर और फातिमा मिस पुष्प अर्पित करें। हमारे आईजीएस एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन के चंद सदस्य मैम को नमन और उनका आशीर्वाद लेते हुए। शामें कटती नहीं और यहाँ साल गुजरते जा रहे हैं। इतने साल बीत गए, पता ही नहीं चला कि मैम हमारे बीच अब मौजूद नहीं। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं, मैम हैं हम सब के बीच आज भी, और उनकी एक छवि हमें कहीं ना कहीं हमारे सन्नू सर में दिखी जाती है।
I'm sure, like me, most of you would remember standing in the morning assembly and listening to the words of wisdom from Sanu sir. Eagerly wait so that we would have to cues on hot summer day. But now, those mornings are just nostalgia, jamda, memory lane. Now, we all spend our mornings sitting in the confinement of our and this and this book. But don't feel sad. Sanu sir is here to welcome you in this second alumni week of IJS and share his wise words like he did when we were in school. Please welcome Mr. Pascal Peter Oster, the director of our school, the huge round.
Good evening and welcome to the second alumni meet of Infant Jesus School. The 9th of February is a great day in the academic calendars of our school. Every year, we celebrate this day as Founders' Day and Grandparents' Day. But due to the pandemic, this year, we could not have it. Therefore, I would like to pay my tribute to our founder, Miss A. Joseph, and pray to God Almighty to bless her soul and permit her to intercede in our needs. I would also like to thank all my grandparents, living and dead, for their valuable contribution that they have made in making in what we are today. May they remain ever blessed. In 2021, we are celebrating Founders Day along with our alumni. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome among us the alumni of our institution. Not only is it a moment of happiness and nostalgia for us, but also an opportunity for you to reflect on your learning and achievements. Our alumni have established themselves as successful individuals in almost every field, and we could not be any prouder. A school is the second home for children, and it plays a vital role in nurturing them into a good human being. Besides shaping the character, the school helps him or her to face the world with bravery and courage. The teachers and the students shared an intimate and intricate bonds of love and respect. Having our alumni with us brings back a lot of memories. I think everyone remembers their first day in school. Some of you cried and wanted to go back home. But the day you left the school to step into a bigger world, you must have realized what this institution truly meant to you. While talking about your old school days, I think most of you remember the innumerable times you begged your teachers for free periods. Nostalgia is a tricky business. It makes us laugh and cry at the same time. We yearn to go back to our happy days, and we also feel very blessed to have experienced such wonderful feelings. The main intention of Alumni Meet is to gather our old students and give them an evening of memories and nostalgia. All of you belong here, your hearts belong here, and a real home is where the heart is. The Alumni Meet also helps you to remember your old teachers and co-workers, living and dead, who have helped you in making you what you are today. Today, let us all open the windows of our mind, take a deep breath, and venture out into the land of dreams and happiness. Let us keep aside the worries and responsibilities of adult life and engage in simple pleasures of childhood and innocence. Our alumni has brought glory to our institution. They have set the example of being successful and good human beings. I extend my warm regards to every member of our alumni and invite them today evening to enjoy a piece of their childhood. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Sanu sir, for the welcome speech. Now, I invite the very humble and soft-spoken, the principal of our school, Ranjan Joseph sir. I request Ranjan sir to kindly come on dais and address the dignitaries and audience present here.
Very good evening to all. I welcome the members of Infant Jesus family for the virtual alumni meet. I am much delighted for being present year for the second alumni meet. The first meet was held in the year of 2019. The second was delayed due to pandemic. Today being the 80th birth anniversary of our beloved ma'am, what better day to rejoin and rekindle the infant flame. Alumni is a body of persons with a common tie which is common to all, Infant Jesus School. As we all connect, a larger picture will emerge and we will feel the joy that we felt once we were children. The faith you all have shown in making this program a grand success can be seen in the efforts of the students that have put in. Hope you will enjoy this short program that we have prepared with the help of our ex-students. Some of the recent achievements of our schools are the place where we are having the virtual meet right now. This is a newly constructed place. Some of you might have not known this, that for the past means in the past 5 years, we have constructed close to 20,000 square feet of new space. And the old building where the fee was collected, half of the part is gone. We are in the process of building a new one. Things got a bit delayed because of the pandemic. We are the first school in Bihar to implement Microsoft Teams. So it's a big achievement. The IT team that was behind us, they have worked really hard for this, and the transition for the online classes, because we were already using Microsoft Teams, was much easier because we were already using Teams in the school the previous times. Last year, that is in the year 2020, class 10 students did extremely well, where 90 and above, almost 70 students got 90 and above, in a class of 270 students. So that's a big achievement, where a lot of students have done really well, and I hope that next year we'll cross century. We are joining here, making our stride felt in all directions. As we join together, we are building a stronger bond for the new members of Infant Jesus family. Hope all of us together help the institution to reach new pinnacle of height. Hope that this new platform, that is Infant Jesus Alumni Association, takes the name of Infant Jesus to all nooks and corners of the world. Relax and enjoy the program that all of us have worked really hard for. Thank you and enjoy the evening.
Thank you so much, Ranjan sir, for sharing your thoughts and addressing the alumni members. Cakes are special. Every birthday, every celebration has something sweet, and people remember. Julia Child said, a cake is just a meeting. So on this occasion, let's cut the cake and cherish all the sweet memories we made during our school life. dedicated to our beloved head. This video tribute has been made by Shubhangi Singh of 2011 batch, who is now working as a radio jockey in Qatar.
Three passions have governed my life: the longing for love, the search of knowledge, and unbearable pity for the sufferings of humankind. These are the words from the founder and first principal of our esteemed Infant Jesus School. These are the words that became our guiding light through our life trials. These are the words from the beautiful lady who needs no introduction, Anne Joseph, our beloved principal ma'am. We can clearly witness Infant Jesus living in her personality, her presence even today, from every morning assembly till the bell rings to call it a day. Born in Kerala on 9th February 1933, she witnessed unification of India for freedom in the very early stages of her life. Perhaps this left a lasting impression on her childhood and rest of her life as well. The strong impressions of the theories and teachings of Jesus Christ and Mahatma Gandhi became her guiding light and propelled her course through her entire life. She founded Infant Jesus School in 1978, just 3 years later, when India was in a state of crisis during the emergency. But her sense of purpose for the cause led her through the initial struggles, and it was in 1999 when the school got affiliated by Central Board of Secondary Education. There are students and teachers who met her in her life, and there are some who are living by the path of wisdom she paved for us. But we surely have an undisputed common belief that her legacy in her life and after her still propels us through our course. This legacy is continued by our director, Mr. Peter Pascalosta, our principal, Mr. Ranjan Joseph, and our public relation officer, Mrs. Shubhda Kulkarni. These are the people who held our hand the way she used to. It never felt like that she had ever gone. We are still guided by her thoughts and Infant Jesus living in her personality every day, from the morning assembly till the bell rings to call it a day. And Joseph, our beloved principal ma'am, and founder of our esteemed Infant Jesus School. नाउम्मीद दिलों में है उम्मीद भरी जिसने सिखाया बंद दरवाजों को खोलने का तरीका महज किताबी बातें नहीं जीना सिखाया जिसने सिखाया खुद पर यकीन का सलीका दृढ़ निश्चय और संकल्प की ज्योति प्रेरणा स्रोत वो थे जिनके शब्द ही मोती ज्ञान की लौ बन किया अंधेरों में उजाला विद्यालय को परिवार है समझा हम सबको हर पल संभाला पदचिन्ह जिनके हैं बने सहारा आज उन्हें है नमन हमारा.
It was indeed a reminiscing video. Thank you, Shubhangi. Now, moving on, it's time to have some fun. During school days, for most of us, our favorite period was the games period, for which we eagerly used to wait. Sakshi Shri from the 2012 batch is here to play a game with all of us present here. I request Sakshi to come on dais and play the pictorial game.
साक्षी फेस नहीं दिख रहा।
Alright. Hello, hi guys. Myself Sakshi Shri. Hi guys, myself Sakshi Shri. I know I hope you all know me well, but I guess for the old students, I'll tell you. Hey, नाम तो सुना ही होगा ना? Alright. So I'm sure that all the memories from start are certainly at the back of your head and good part in your heart's depth. But let's see what exactly are in front of our eyes, right? होता क्या है कि हम अपने जर्नी में आगे बढ़ते तो हैं, बट वो छोटी छोटी चीज है जो हमें हमारे लाइफ में मार्क कर जाती है, बट somehow you agree or not, the details are what matters, right? So that's why I'm here to make you guys to recollect all your memories and flash right in front of you guys. I just want you, all of you present here, to keep all your ears open and your platform also. What I will be doing, I'll be just flashing some pictures and I'll be asking some of the questions. You have to guess one right answer and you have to jot the answers right in your chat box. All right? So let's get you through the journey from the beginning. बुजुर्गों ने एक चीज हमें सिखाई, मंदिर में घुसने से पहले घंटी जरूर बजाना, one condition. But hey, यहाँ भी बट ज्ञान के मंदिर में घुसने से पहले हमें कंडीशंस ना हो, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम गेट के बाहर खड़े हो जाएं और कहें खुल जा सिम and this, the guardian of the galaxy, could let you enter. Of course not. Saying show me what you've got. But see, hey, there's one condition. So here's your first question. What I want you people to do is to write this one answer, the only permit you needed to enter. So write your answers in the comment box. Your first option is school diary. Second option is the up to mark uniform with school tie and badges and socks. And third is gate pass. Come on, write your answers down. Okay, surprisingly, most of the people are getting the right answers. Alright, no wrong answer. Come on, old people, you don't know this. Come on. All the right answers, surprisingly. Old people, you don't know this. So this is the right answer. Yes, to just let all of the old people to know this, that this is the Jajman. Alright, this is the Jajman who was introduced in 2011 batch and was made a part of our uniform. That was a mandatory for us. Hey, आप enter तो हो गए, but what? Latecomers are not allowed. Face the consequences. So then you go for the another question. Do you remember what were the consequences you were facing when you came late? Come on. Give your answers in the chat box. Your options are वहीं चले जाओ जहां से आए हो. Second option, the only antique thing we had, headman ka mota danda. I used to remember that I used to get 2 in both of our hands. No? What about Harmonize? You got mota danda in your hand. Alright, third option, school diary remarks. Alright. Come on, I want your answers. Oh, I guess mota danda was the common thing. Oh, stick of Sannu sir, both hands. Oh. Can you recognize the signature? All the present here. All right. Alright, so let me tell you, the signature in the diary is of Gautam sir. So let me share you one remembering moment. There used to be a common area in front of the principal's office in branch building. So there used to sit one teacher, Gautam sir. So yes, the signature is of him only. Anyways. Alright, moving ahead, I'll let you enter now. घुसते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही the only place you gathered, see, remember this, stood in the queues. लंबे बच्चे पीछे, छोटे बच्चे आगे. Some things were naturally biased. There used to be a room. Can you remember this room? This was control room. And you remember they used to be teachers standing right behind the queues in assembly. So 8 days घंटे की speech, 8 days घंटे की assembly को cross करने का बस एक ही rescue था. Could you remember that one rescue? Just note your answers on the chat box, please. There was the only rescue to skip this 1.5 hour assembly. Washroom? Oh. Alright, let me tell you, there was only one excuse. Alright, Lakshmi Miss is here. Lakshmi Miss, can I go to the please? Well, सबकी बस की थोड़ी ही थी. Not only few students could attend this thumb like that, you know. But that only one accomplishment made me. But yes, what an assembly. Sannu sir had it all the positives to be invoked in us. And hey, एक fight तो रह गई. You got to conduct the assembly. You fought with your creatives just to hold the mic for 2 minutes in the assembly in front of the whole crowd. And you gave all of it. You remember that? Faint ho jana. Alright. So after colors, let me remind you, the gate pass we were having, they arrived in 3 different colors. Pink, green, and what? Yellow. Alright. So let me inform you, the judgment, the gate pass we were having, they used to come in 3 different colors. Pink, green, and yellow. So after colors, see, you got another news. मेरी 9 से 10 की जॉब मेरे मुझे म्यूजिकल एंट्रेंस नहीं मिलती थी. What else give you a musical entrance? Which assembly? So here goes another question for you. Can you remember this? The musical group in our assembly. Here is another question for you people. Which assembly song has the highest number of likes? So ठीक है, मैं ठीक ठाक गा लेती थी, but let me give you the options. Let me sing here. The first option is this. जहाँ डाल डाल की सोने की चिड़िया करती थी बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. Okay, second option. ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम. And the third option. Make me a channel of your peace. Alright, I don't remember that. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपकी शादी अभी जिंदा है. After a long wait in the heat and cold, you had a finally sigh of relief. हाँ, जब वो announcement होता था, announcement of the day, that was a remark when assembly was going to be over. All right, now you step into the chamber of secrets. Can you recognize that? Your classrooms. These are the chamber of secrets. All right, everybody has their own favorites. My favorite classrooms were the basement classrooms. All right. So here are the few pictures of our classrooms. We used to sit. Hey, this is the branch building. All right. You find Dumbledore. You found Dumbledore here. So now this is the time to find Snape. Alright, so this is a rapid fire round. I'll be sharing few of the pics and you have to identify and write your answers in the comment box in less than 5 seconds. I know you can recognize them. Alright, so let's see kisko kitna yaad hai. Let's play teacher, huh? Alright, so here goes, identify the person.
अरुण सर।
रुचोगे तो कहीं से सर को कौन नहीं जानता है।
Stani sir.
Alright, very good. Everybody remembers. Oh, Stani sir, no, he was not. Surprising, wrong answers. Stani sir, oh, how come he looks like Stani sir? No. Alright, the young age of Arun sir is here.
Arun sir.
Alright, there is a twist.
Arun sir.
Teachers, come on. Teachers and students, let's recognize the person behind Arun sir. Who is he?
फ्रांसिस सर।
Francis sir. Francis sir. Francis sir.
Oh yes, come on, Alright, teachers for teachers. This is question for you. Who is the student? Can you remember? Alright, teachers present in the virtual meet. Can you please answer?
अनुराग अरोड़ा।
आदित्य अग्रवाल।
Everybody remembered that.
नहीं, अनुराग अरोड़ा। No, he's अनुराग अरोड़ा।
This person
Yes,
taught
Anurag
me
Arora.
studies.
Anurag
I'm very
Arora.
proud that I have a better perspective of climate change.
Director.
And he made us the Indian Greta Thunberg. I can say that definitely. All right, moving on. All right, let's move ahead. Identify the person in white.
Is Arjun sir.
सर इंद्राज विष्णु। सर इंद्राज विष्णु।
Arjun sir. Arjun sir.
White Indraj Vishnu sir, extreme right Pranisha ma'am, beside Indraj Vishnu sir Francis sir, and extreme left Rocky sir.
Alright, इनकी बॉडी बस पहले ही ली है. So he is Indraj Vishnu sir, and he taught us the basic fundamental of body mass. Alright, so he only clarified our body mass, which unfortunately they don't know. Anyways, moving ahead. Identify the person.
आभा मैम।
मेरे शर्ट के बटन में क्या
उषा श्रीवास्तव मैम। उषा श्रीवास्तव
मैम। पहले हम बोले यार इस बार में मान नहीं होगा।
Surprising. Nice.
मेहमानी हो रहा है सर किसकी?
Alright, correct. Absolutely correct. Alright, moving on.
बीच में
अभय कुमार सर, अभय सहाय सर,
अभय सहाय
सर,
पुष्पा में से पीक।
And this is Prashant Jaiswal. No, Prashant Kumar from and Miss Leila. So I have identified everybody.
Nice. Alright, moving ahead. So बूझो तो जाने. So can you identify the person in white sari?
Suchitra ma'am.
Suchitra ma'am. Suchitra ma'am.
First farewell of 10th standard.
Suchitra ma'am, Kumudni ma'am.
Person beside head ma'am.
Ma'am.
Alright.
You know this?
Behind is Leila ma'am. Teachers, Suchitra ma'am was one of the teachers who made my debating skills far better. Okay, moving ahead. अंग्रेज चले गए बट अंग्रेजी छोड़ गए किसी को तो
Saju sir.
So identify the person in green sari who taught
Leila ma'am.
Gulwara ma'am, Gulwara ma'am, Gulwara ma'am, Gulwara ma'am, Gulwara ma'am.
Even identify the students. And this is 95 batch. 96 batch. 96.
ऐसे पैमानियों का सक्सेस भी तो हम नहीं करेंगे.
97 batch, 2012 batch, 96.
Rakesh bhaiya in between.
Rakesh Bhai is there. Rakesh So let's move ahead. So
Anita ma'am.
Anita ma'am, my favorite.
फलम पले पलानी. Poonam Singh ma'am, Poonam Singh ma'am.
Hindi teacher of 6 to 8.
Because I can tap Hindi, I can rap
Poonam Singh
Hindi,
ma'am.
and I can definitely say I can dance. Alright, let me see the answers. Correct. Okay, moving on.
फातिमा.
रहमत ma'am,
रहमत ma'am.
हुए हम शायराना मुश्किल हो गई हिंदी में बताना.
रहमत ma'am.
मुश्किल हो गई हिंदी में बताना. जनाब जबान जब उर्दू हुई शायरी भी आसान हो गई. Come on, tell me who is she? Okay, next slide.
इससे पहले तुम लोग आंसर बता दे रहे थे, फिर भी तुम नहीं चल रही हो.
We have exceptions in our chemistry, but we definitely have our exception in our school. इन बंदे ने हमारे क्लास में इंटर करके बस 2 लाइन कही जब हमारे मॉनिटर वर्सेस स्टूडेंट्स की लड़ाई चल रही थी. जिंदगी की ऊंचाइयों को छुओ, ये क्लास राइवलरी ट्राई ऊपर हो, but we definitely didn't reach his height. Identify the tallest person in the campus.
Abhay Sahai sir.
Kunal Kumar sir.
Alright, moving on.
Manju ma'am.
मंजू मिश्रा.
Dr. Manju Gita Mishra.
पार्टी की फेवरेट मंजू मिश्रा.
राह में चलते चलते थे हम उन चीजों से गुजरते, पर क्या पता था जब मुड़ के देखे तो अफसाने बदले हुए नजर आए.
Towards the campus assembly ground के पास मैम ऑफिस के पास.
जिसके लिए काफी Exactly. This was a merry-go-round, and trust me, game periods were more about fighting for your turn. All right. True thing is that when you evolve, some things get extinct, and this was one of it. All right. So let me walk you through some memory lane. Okay. Of all the portions you made in labs, this was the chemistry lab. We didn't have this lab.
I know. Totally changed.
Yes.
बायो लैब चल रहा है. बायो लैब.
You needed it here.
लाइब्रेरी.
Every year in Hogwarts, Harry Potter always waited for that one thing to catch up to. The Quidditch match.
Library.
Having through different events.
Main building library of.
On the terrace, I suppose.
So this is our sports day.
हाँ ये मशाल चल रहा है.
This was the annual flag holding, the drills, the award ceremony, and obviously the competitions. And here we had the demonstrations of our strength. And identify this event. What is this?
Voting.
Science exhibition. Science exhibition.
Science exhibition.
So that is
Yes.
science exhibition we have. Great guess. All right. Guess this event. Yeah, Parents' Day and Annual Day. All right. Moving ahead. Identify this event.
Children's Day. Day. Last year was
Bal Divas.
Sports Day. March past.
Not Sports Day. Not Sports Day.
Republic Day.
Yeah. All right. So आते तो थे स्कूल में पढ़ने पर अंदर के आइसक्रीम को कहीं और ही दिमाग लगाना पसंद था. I want all of you to like guess this event कि ऐसा कौन सा इवेंट था जहां हम सिर्फ अपने क्लासेस से रेस्क्यू और बंक समझते थे.
मत करोगे.
Come on guys. Zero period. Substitution period. Games period. Anyways.
Rescue period.
One more thing. All right. I'll be just ending the session for just in just one thing. All right. But
So I would really love to see our chart wala, of course, and our children wala. I would love to see our chart wala and children wale bhaiya.
Missing there. Opportunist side emerges up. You discover your hidden powers. But मैं इन सारी चीजों को एक जगह इकट्ठा कर दूं तो मैं एक बुक पब्लिश कर दूंगा. 101 गाइड टू स्पीक भी. जब एग्जाम हॉल में हमारा एंट्रेंस हुआ, रगों में एड्रेनलिन का रश हुआ, सीट पे बैठे जब नजर दौड़ाई तब टीम वर्क की याद आई. जब भी हम अपने दोस्तों का चेहरा देखते बस मन ही मन एक ही बात कहते, You are my reminder, play it like a fighter. I am not inside outsider, I probably keep blinder. तब भी कॉन्फिडेंट थे चाहे जो भी रिजल्ट आए. ठीक है. एंड एट द लास्ट हम एक बार इस बात से एंड करना चाहेंगे कि 10 तक जो भी हमें मार कर डांट कर कुछ भी फटकार कर हम पे जो ध्यान दिया गया, ट्रस्ट मी इसके बाद चीजें हम पे वो ध्यान नहीं दी गई. सो आई एम ऑल थैंकफुल ऑल द टीचर्स एंड ऑल द इवेंट्स हियर जिन्होंने हमें ये आज बनाया है जो आज हम हैं. सो साइनिंग ऑफ विद एवरीथिंग. सो हियर इज द मेमोरी डे. थैंक यू. It was indeed exciting playing this pictorial game, and I hope you all have had fun. Thank you, Sakshi, for making us play this game. Now it is the time for the breakout session of the alumni members. You all will be divided into different rooms, like we used to be divided in different sections when we were in school. You all can talk and share memories with other members present in your respective group during this virtual meet. The time for this breakout session is roughly 5 minutes.
हेलो। हाँ जी सर, वालेकुम सलाम। जी सर। हाँ सर, बिल्कुल।
Okay, we are back in the same room, I guess. Rather.
ये क्या हुआ? हटा दो।
Hi. Hi.
ये हटा।
थोड़ा पे दृष्टि लाओ।
Like this is another breakout room. So who all are there? I cannot see anybody. Why?
Maybe network issues. Just find it out. Actually, we are
See only few of you.
Even me also. Only able to see Tripti, Tulika, and then Prashant. That's all. Where are rest are?
Arjun sir, Tripti, Shweta.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi,
sir. Good evening.
Hello sir.
Good evening.
Hello sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, back I am.
Abhay sir.
Where are you? Didi, Pooja
Abhay sir, can you
Hello,
hear me?
Pooja. Welcome back. I hope you all would have enjoyed having the
Hi Pooja,
conversation.
nice to see you.
In our
Arjun
first
sir is also
alumni
there.
meet
Rocky
with
sir, Arjun
Shanti
sir.
Gulwara ma'am, Vivek Anand sir, and Asha Sinha ma'am were present.
Yes, good evening to all of you.
One quality that we
Hello,
all
Arjun sir.
appreciate about Asha
Good
ma'am
evening
is
to all
her
of you.
quality of valuing
Hello,
and
Arjun sir.
Although she has now left the school,
Yes.
she still makes
Hello,
sure
yes.
to be in touch with the members and students of the IGS family.
अरे रॉकी सर
This
प्रणाम
time,
बूढ़े हो गए
it's
सर
a
आप तो
virtual meet. We do not have the luxury
Nice
of
to
meeting
meet you
in
guys.
person. But we are glad to have Pratisha Dikshit ma'am
How are you, dear?
representing the ex-teachers of our school. I would request
Hello, Arjun
Pratisha
sir.
ma'am to give her message.
Hello, Arjun
How
sir.
are
Good
you?
evening.
Hello, Arjun sir.
And within 3 minutes ही हुआ है.
Hello. Hi.
Ladies to
Hi.
all the very best.
Yeah, she used to be my science teacher, Pratiksha ma'am,
Yes, Pratiksha miss.
and my class teacher also.
बायोलॉजी टू बी प्रिसाइज
Biology.
मैम
मैं
मैं
तो फिजिक्स से पढ़ा
your
पूरा साइंस से पढ़ा
Let ma'am speak. Ma'am, you're not audible.
नो बिकॉज़ शी इज नॉट
Ma'am, you are mute.
इट्स अ रिकॉर्डिंग
Not in the group. It's a recording going on. She must be there.
I think if we all mute, we will be
Hi.
able to hear.
Hello, Jyoti.
Hello.
कैसी हो?
Of respected Ms. A. Joseph has made a significant and unparalleled contribution to the society in terms of education, be it for students or for its teachers. The experience I gained as a teacher from
Where is Tulika? Shweta?
पता नहीं मुझे.
खोज के लाओ.
खोज कहाँ है?
बच्चे रो रहे होंगे.
सही है.
कैसी है ज्योति? दोनों ज्योति.
बस बढ़िया. कैसे हो?
दो ज्योति.
Are we in the breakup room?
I don't know. Ma'am voice is again not audible, no?
I
She's
have
not
no
at all
idea.
audible.
Yes, what happened?
हम
I think
लोग आपस में बात कर रहे हैं उधर से कुछ सुनाई.
यार प्रशांत एक बात बताओ, मुझे कोई दिख क्यों नहीं रहा है? कहाँ पे क्लिक करूं?
क्योंकि हम लोगों को दिखना अब दिखी
अरे
तुलिका
क्या?
भाई सामने.
यार कोई नहीं दिख रहा. 4-5 ही लोग दिख रहे. मैं भी ट्राई कर
मुझे
रही
तो
हूँ.
4-5 भी नहीं दिख रहे, खुद ही दिख रहे हैं. दिख रही हैं.
We are not
मैं तो
able
ठीक
to.
You must have pinned yourself. That's why you are able to view only yourself.
But this will go a long way in ensuring positive improvements.
You unpin yourself.
How to unpin?
And culminate in
You click, put a long press over your picture.
present and past student community.
Do a long
Keep the
press.
IGS management informed of your accomplishments and milestones. It can inspire the lives of
three dot
students
buttons.
today
Using
who are
by using
aspiring
three dot
to
buttons, you can change the
They have
layout.
been recipients of prestigious education as a
That's
given.
the
They
side
have a
of raising hand.
responsibility to
Whose
ensure
voice is
that
this?
the degrees
Stone?
or
Three dots are there.
degrees
Just click on that.
retain value
Hiding
and
Tulika?
relevance for subsequent generation of students. I urge you to return to campus. Through the generosity of our alumni, we can help Infant Jesus School become a world-class school. The school is scaling greater heights under the able leadership of Mr. Ryan Joseph, and I wish all the best to this alma mater to achieve every success in the years to come. I would like to end up my speech with the words, हम कुछ बरसों के लिए क्या बसे इस चार दीवारी में, वो तमाम उम्र के लिए हमें अपना बना गया, जिससे जेल कहते समझते थे आप सभी, आज उसी ने हमें आसमां में
उड़ना सिखा दिया. Thank you so much.
Diksha ma'am, it feels like yesterday when you were teaching us to draw and label the image of the heart. We have indeed traveled a long way. Thank you
Hello,
so much.
Standard 5A.
We are also present here to acknowledge the achievements of alumni who are performing well in their chosen fields. We have requested a few of those alumni to share their experiences. Let's have a look.
साल 2002 मैं क्लास 3 में था तब हमारी क्लास को पहली बार कहा गया था मॉर्निंग असेंबली करने के लिए. तनुजा मिस जो कि हमारी क्लास टीचर थी और मैथ्स टीचर थी, उन्होंने पूरे क्लास में से 5 लोगों को चुना असेंबली के लिए. मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूं इन फैंस का और तनुजा मिस का कि उन 5 लोगों में मैं भी एक था. वो पहला दिन था जब मैं स्टेज पे चढ़ा. मुझे आज भी याद है वो डर कि कैसे परफॉर्म कर पाऊंगा इतने लोगों के सामने, भूल ना जाऊं, कैसे मैं रट रहा था. तो वो पहला दिन था और आज आलम ये है कि इंडिया में पहली बार पोएट्री का रियलिटी शो हुआ. मैंने न केवल उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया बल्कि मैं जीत गया. आप देख सकते हैं डीडी किसान में आ रहे हर संडे को 9 बजे. मुझे नहीं लगता कि उस दिन अगर तन्मा में मुझे स्टेज पे नहीं चढ़ाती तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे डेवलप हो पाता, हो भी पाता कि नहीं हो पाता. So big thank you to inspector all the teachers, in fact all the members जिन्होंने हमें छोटे से लेके बड़े में सपोर्ट किया है, डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली सपोर्ट किया है. I know that कि thank you बहुत छोटा वर्ड है, I don't know what to say. Anyway, मैं आपको उस एपिसोड जो मेरा 7th Feb को अभी आया था उसके ट्रेलर के साथ छोड़ देता हूँ. इधर तो आग दे उन्हें जलाना, अग्नि चंडी बन गई कि धुआं में ताल था. हसीना को जो है देख के रहा नहीं जाता होगा जरा भी. ओह, दिल लेने में नंबर 1 बन जाती. Everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Anurag Tharoor, now 6 passer. Thanks to IGES management for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express my feelings and emotions to a quick video. I've written a few lines and I've titled it as The Gardener is God. Before I read it, I want you guys to focus on the key words like the garden here refers to IGS. Gardener is our loving and ex-principal Mr. Joseph. Trees, flowers, plants, trees, birds are the teachers and students who are the real assets. So here I go. I hope you guys like it. A gardener gives life to a garden, a father gives life to a family. Both with their sweat and their nurture their own plants. They not only love their trees, but also the shadow of their trees. The gardener decorates the garden. The gardener considers every flower as a home. She protects them all the time. She waters every leaf and every branch. She wrote a breath in the name of flowers. The gardener wants her birds to smile forever. And now going back to a brief about myself, I'm a serial entrepreneur, a couple of ventures of my own. Having featured in Dusty Bunsen's bestseller The Right Away, which was on top 10 youngest entrepreneurs of India. Dainik Bhaskar, Hindi language and India's most circulated newspaper, has covered my story. Economic Times in the corporate dossier have written an article about me and have titled that Indians of the world think the right away entrepreneurs have in common with Mark Zuckerberg. And your story, India's most largest and single most definitely online media platform for startups and entrepreneurs, they have showcased my work. Last but not the least, Condé Nast Traveler, a lifestyle and travel magazine in their Make India supplement, have showcased my work and have considered me as one of the dynamic entrepreneurs. Now, few suggestions to the current students based on my experience.
हम उसको परसों कॉल किए थे, अब बोले थे कि कॉलेज नहीं चले तो पढ़ा भी नहीं चले फिर अब नहीं गया.
Number 1 is are the writers and toppers. Dream big, work hard, and pay attention when luck comes your way. Number 2 are the repeaters who fail initially but succeeded later. Although failure is better, but it holds the seeds to future business success. Last but not the least, rebels with the cause, not the Kabir Singh movie one. Rebels with the cause here would mean mavericks who did weird but wonderful things, like utilizing unconventional methods to help you perceive through challenges to get your venture off the ground. Thank you so much once again. All the very best. And hello,
my fellow Infantinians. Myself, Jyoti Kumar, of 1995 class 10th batch, appeared for Bihar Board in 1996. Many of you may not recognize me, but many of you might be recognizing me. I'm really elated to connect with you all, to all my students, to all my seniors and my classmates. So I was asked by Sir Francis to make a small video on the achievements or the accomplishments I have achieved in my life. So I just wanted to share that I could not say no to him because no, Sir Francis, we still remember his Gadda. So I was really scared and I couldn't say to say no to him. But here I am making a video for the alumni. I just wanted to share that I cleared my civil services examination conducted by the Union Public Service Commission, that is UPSC, in the year 2010, and was allocated Indian Defence State Service, and now I am posted as Chief Executive Officer of Jalandhar Cantonment Board, Jalandhar, Punjab. So now I am a civil servant, and I just wanted to share that last year in Swachh Sarvekshan, which is conducted in the central government, our cantonment, I received the first prize as the cleanest cantonment of the country from the Union Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. So that is it. That is one of my achievements, and I wish all of you all the success in life. Thank you, and more message to all.
Hello everyone, I'm Zishan Nagar. I'm 1998 pass out, and I was school captain in 1997, and many of my batches they were placed. Some of them are doctors, engineers, holding good positions in government departments, and many of them are successful businessmen. I chose journalism as a career. And currently I am based in New Delhi and work as a journalist at the Press Trust of India, PTI, which is India's largest news agency. My profession has given me an opportunity to travel quite around the world and meet people representing different sections of the society. I have questioned people sitting in the Hemab affairs and raised the voice of voices. And when I look back, I find my teacher at school gave me a strong motivation to face the world at such conference. Talking about curious to the world of writing and all, and prepared me for every challenge. I remember the teacher said, All India is single-handedly built this great institution of learning. She has been inspiration for many of us. She taught us, trained us, shaped us, and prepared us. May God bless us all. And I thank countless teachers who contributed immensely in our work. And finally, youngsters, mark my word, you realize the importance of school when you move out and enjoy your professional life. Maybe down the line, 10 years down the line, you will forget how you attend in a hospital, but you will not forget the ability to solve those problems. That's what the school teaches. That's what school provides. So avail the maximum of your school life, enjoy the maximum, and make yourself stronger, face the future, and excel in your professional life. My best wishes are always there, and I extend my wishes to all those who are appearing for class 10 and 12 examination this year. Good luck. Thank you.
इन्फेंट जीसस हाई स्कूल में सेकेंड अलुमनाई मीट के उपलक्ष्य पर मैं कौशल कुमार जिला पदाधिकारी सहरसा आप सभी का अभिनंदन एवं स्वागत करता हूं एवं अपना आभार प्रकट करता हूं। सर्वप्रथम इन्फेंट जीसस हाई स्कूल के अलुमनाई होने के नाते मैं इस विद्यालय में पदस्थापित सभी आदरणीय शिक्षकगण, आदरणीय शिक्षिकागण को अपने तरफ से गुरु वंदना करते हुए सादर प्रणाम करता हूं। मैं इस अवसर पर इस विद्यालय की संस्थापिका एवं प्रधानाध्यापिका श्रीमती मिसेस जोसेफ जी को ध्यान करते हुए भी उन्हें प्रति आभार प्रकट करता हूँ, जिन्होंने इस विद्यालय को अपनी कई मेहनत से सींचकर इसे इस मुकाम तक पहुंचाया। उनसे जुड़ी कई चीजों को याद करते हुए मैं गर्व महसूस करता हूँ कि उनकी दूरगामी सोच, उचित मार्गदर्शन एवं उनका सौम्य स्वभाव कई लोगों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत रहा है। यह बेहद ही हर्ष का विषय है और मुझे काफी प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि पिछले वर्ष से इस विद्यालय द्वारा विद्यालय परिसर में इस तरह का अलुमनाई मीट का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। इस तरह के आयोजन से इस विद्यालय से पास आउट हुए कई विद्यार्थी जो वर्तमान में देश और विदेश के विभिन्न प्रतिष्ठित संस्थानों में कार्यरत हैं, उन्हें एक दूसरे से वर्षों बाद मिलने का उचित अवसर मिला है। इस विद्यालय से पास आउट हुए कई विद्यार्थी आज कई महत्वपूर्ण पदों पर सुशोभित है और देश के निर्माण में अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दे रहे हैं। और इन सब का श्रेय यहाँ पदस्थापित सभी शिक्षकगण को जाता है, जिन्होंने सफलता और ज्ञान की प्रथम सीढ़ी चढ़ने में हम लोग की भरपूर मदद की। मैं आज के आयोजित सेकेंड अलुमनाई मीट में उपस्थित सभी अलुमनाई को प्रणाम करता हूँ और साथ ही जो किसी कारणवश इस आयोजन में नहीं आ पाए हैं, उपस्थित नहीं हो पाए हैं, उनको भी मैं आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। यह विद्यालय मेरे लिए भी एक ज्ञान की मंदिर की तरह है, जहाँ से निकलकर मैं आज इस मुकाम पे पहुंचा हूँ। मैं इस विद्यालय में कक्षा 2 में एडमिशन लिया था और कक्षा 10 में से पास आउट हुआ हूँ। और कुल 9 साल के इस स्कूलिंग करियर में कई महत्वपूर्ण शिक्षक शिक्षकों ने मुझे मेरे ज्ञान को सींचा है और मुझे बड़ा गर्व महसूस हो रहा है उनका नाम लेते हुए। स्पेशल मेंशनिंग अबाउट फ्रांसिस सर, डैनियल सर, अर्जुन सर, फातिमा मैम, लैला इकबाल मैम, प्रतीक्षा मैम, युजिन सर, अमिता मैम, स्टैनी सर, अभय सहाय सर, सुचित्रा मैम और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट सनु सर। मुझे बड़ा गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि इन सभी के बदौलत इन सभी के ज्ञान के द्वारा मुझे सींचा गया और मैं इस मुकाम तक पहुंचा हूँ और आज देश और के निर्माण में मैं महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देने वाले पद पर सुशोभित हूँ। मुझे गर्व है इस विद्यालय पे, मैं इस विद्यालय में स्थापित सभी शिक्षक शिक्षकों पे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
It really feels great to see our alumni being the ambassadors of our school and reaching greater heights and making everybody proud. Now, on this special occasion, we would like to announce the formation of Infant Jesus School Alumni Association. From next year onwards, the IJS Alumni Association will be completely managed by the ex-students of our school, and they will be handling various posts of the association. To talk more about it, may I request Mr. Prashant Kumar Jaiswal, who is from 2000 batch, to please talk about the association formation.
Good evening to all of you. I hope you all enjoyed today's second alumni meet in its virtual form, being organized with the combined and coordinated efforts of school teachers and alumni members. As you all know, our IJS Alumni Association is taking its final form with few members already participating and playing important role in the conduct of this alumni meet, namely Mr. Nawaz Ali, Mr. Aman, Ms. Sakshi Sharif, Ms. Sabina Rashid, Mr. Ashish Sharma, Ms. Shubhangi Singh, Ms. Supriya Rawati, Mr. Amandeep Singh, Mr. Reshmi Chaudhary, Mr. Jinesh Mehta, Mr. Swapnil Arora, Mr. Anurag Arora, etc. This alumni association would consist of two parallel bodies, namely the advisory committee and the working team. The advisory committee would be consisting of the principal, 1 or 2 teachers of IJS and the rest senior alumni members. This advisory committee would be responsible for the forming of bylaws of this association, amendment of the same as and when required or requested by the working team, providing guidance to the working team, conducting elections for the formation of new members of the working team, and act as control in case of any misconduct. The working team of IJS would be having various posts of responsibilities, namely President, Vice President, Secretary, Joint Secretary, Treasurer, etc. This working team would be responsible for organizing and conducting alumni meet of their term, decision of date, process, and theme of the alumni meet in coordination with the advisory committee and the school management. Organization of voluntary professional services like health camps, vocational demonstration, etc. as according to the respective professions of each individual alumnus. Be a link or code of conduct for the current students of IJS to the alumni members, facilitating communication for the purpose of guidance, inspiration, etc. Apart from this, our alumni association will also serve the purpose of aggregating newer ideas of pedagogy and teaching methodology through the knowledge and experiences to share with the faculty group of IJS. The school management has already provided a tab for the alumni on the official page of IJS, that is infantjesuspatna.in, on our request, so as to maintain the database of all the pass-out students. So I would request all the alumni members to come forward and be a part of this alumni association, as the school management has decided to hand over all the responsibilities of the organization and conduct the alumni meet to the IJS Alumni Association for the next time onwards. Shortly after today's alumni meet, we will be conducting the election to form the members of working team within a month or so.
Thank you so much, Mr. Prashant, for explaining the working of association formation. Sometimes a short walk down the memory lane is all it takes to appreciate where you are today. Let's now watch a video that has been prepared by Supriya Rohatgi of 2010 batch and Aman Masroor of 2018 batch.
Nostalgia is a tricky business. It makes us laugh and cry at the same time. We don't remember it, we remember moments.
हेलो कैसे हो
मैं तब से आपको बोला था ब्रेकआउट रूम में
Fasten your seatbelts to trigger positive brains that evoke emotions and get ready to pull back the tears as we take you down the memory lane of three of the most memorable days of our lives. This is the new addition to the school building, the Montessori Bench. We enter as daughters, crying and holding
आपका म्यूट है
and were ready and
सॉरी पता नहीं तुम्हें तो नहीं किया
हाँ मैंने उसको बोला था
हसन वो सामने वाला घर देख रहे हो
झूला झूलो ज्योति झूलो
टैमरिन ट्री कहाँ गया टैमरिन ट्री हमारा टैमरिन ट्री
मार्च पास्ट एरिया याद है तृप्ति तू लिखता यू आर क्राइंग ना स्कूल जाने का मन कर रहा आपको सौरभ दीपाली दी कहाँ है सौरभ do you remember me
yeah
didn't she join कैसे हो सौरभ
I'm good
join नहीं की दीपाली दी
नहीं it seems नहीं join किया उसने
हसन रो मत भाई रो मत
She must be smiling from the heavens above. I must be so proud to see the school and her children reading and singing. The news the bulletin board where we all keep our best shot with our favorite skills. Now bringing to our minds the core memories of the lunch break. As we grew up, down the street, building streets and central city we now take unpleasant tours to the corridors. School corridors are full of routine through the ages they have for celebrations, fights, and punishments. Years roll by, alphabets turn into nursery rhymes turn into subjects rhyme, and our beloved teachers turn into our guiding light. The joy of celebrating with friends our birthday to the excitement of many handmade cards, this is something we all miss. The horror School life, we would all agree, was the most beautiful phase of our life, which no matter how much we are ready to pay for, will never return. Nevertheless, we can still cherish those memories by entering into these classrooms to us together. No matter where we go, how much offices we work at, but this classroom will be forever our favorite room. Here we all saw ourselves raised. The excitement to get free freedom, the zeal of having game spaces is something we can all relate to. The school diary was the most felt diary for each one of us. Carrying the attendance register to class, keeping the blackboard well maintained was something in which every student took pride. Every year we witnessed a cutthroat competition on sports day, when each one of us knew just one color of our house. Classrooms where we were taught not just the academics, but also the lessons of values, which we could carry proudly as an imprint throughout our lives. The favorite wavy bridge of all the students, which acted as a bond between juniors and the seniors. Corridors from the school building where the genius minds were invented.
अरे अरविंद सर कहाँ? अरविंद सर
हम लोग के टाइम ये सब
We
नहीं
now
था
take you to the branch building where our dear Ranjan sir and Shubha ma'am were always there to sort our issues.
हम लोग के टाइम ये सब था ना हसन?
The years went by and then came the days of some serious studies. When teachers became not just our mentors but also our opponents.
Ryan, Arvind sir is here. Arvind sir, yeah.
So hard, we made our career choices.
How are you sir? बहुत दिनों बाद कैसे हैं?
अरे यार ठीक है, बहुत अच्छे हैं। तुम कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ सर।
एक बार चेहरा दिखा दो, वीडियो कैमरा ऑन कर दो।
अरे सर मिल लेंगे, पटना में ही है।
ओके
चेहरा दिखा दो, जब सर कह रहे तो। वो देखने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट हो रहा है। अरे ये क्या बात हुई? यार 2013 के कोई नजर ही नहीं आ रहे। आई कैन सी जानवी, नहीं जाने।
Hello.
I thank both Supriya and Amanda for taking us through
No, अभी चलेगा।
and opening the gates of memories. This event would not have been successful without Shubha ma'am, who was the overall in charge of organizing this alumni meet. Now I request Shubha ma'am to say a few words.
Good evening to all of you. I express my gratitude towards Mr. Prashant Jaiswal for briefing the alumni and all of us about the formation of Infant Jesus School Alumni Association. As declared by him, next year onwards, conducting any kind of alumni meeting or event would be the whole and sole responsibility of this association. To carry on with this task on behalf of school management, I urge you all to come forward with broader perspectives, effective ideas, and selfless motives in joining your hands together for forming up and executing the work of this alumni association. Relationships are reciprocal. Initial phase of life, we consume from the school, college, family, parents, and the society. Once you shape up your life, then comes the latter part. It begins with giving, returning, and reciprocating. Alumni Association is just a small part of our own spiritual and philosophical growth. Without making my presence lengthy here, I would like to appreciate the initiative and efforts taken by our members, these active members, as mentioned in the slide. Without them, making this event successful was impossible. Thank you so much. Thank you once again for joining with us in such a big number. We are really excited to see all our ex-students present over here. Thank you so much. This means a lot to us. Do not leave. Lots many exciting things are coming up. Hold on, please.
During this pandemic, many of the frontline warriors came forward and saved the lives of many. I'm sure many of those warriors are present here with us in this alumni meet. I take a moment and thank them. We have come towards the end of this virtual alumni meet, but as Shubha ma'am has already mentioned, we have a small surprise for you towards the end. Now I request Mr. Prashant Kumar Jaiswal, who is now working with AIMS Delhi, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
For the vote of thanks, first of all, I would like to pay my gratitude to our beloved ma'am and the founder of IJS, Miss Anne Joseph, and pray for the peace of her heavenly soul. Because of her kindness and great efforts, our school was established in 1978 and therefore flourished into a school of secondary and higher secondary education. With her distinction, due to which we all were able to receive quality education, developed our personality, and secured our future. I would like to thank our respected director, Mr. Pascal Peter Oster, popularly known as Sir Sannu among all of us, under the supervision of whom our school education as well as the administration ran smoothly and in a well-mannered way since very early years of our school. He has played the pivotal role in the running mechanism of IJS right from the days of Miss Anne Joseph and continues doing so to the present day. I would like to thank our principal, Mr. Ranjan Joseph sir, who is playing the main role in the administration as well as the academics of IJS. He has been a great support to all the students of IJS and has played major role in the formation of IJS Alumni Association and the organization of alumni meet. I would also like to thank the team of IJS teachers who supported for this second alumni meet. First and foremost, Shubhda Ranjan ma'am, the PRO, being the main coordinator and the connecting link for this alumni meet, followed by Ranjana Jha ma'am, Fatima Imam ma'am, Lakshmi Gulati ma'am, Francis Xavier sir, Abhay Sahai sir, Abhay Kumar sir, Sunil Thakur sir, Ishar Anwar sir. Besides, I would like to mention the names of the teachers, non-teaching staff, and alumni members without whose support this alumni meet wouldn't have been so successful. IT team Prakash sir and Shantanu sir. Decoration Santosh Michael sir and Chandan sir. Sounds and lights supported by Mr. Sanjay Vincent. Music and voice offered by Gautam sir and Annapurna Miss. And among the alumni members, voice offered by Mr. Nawaz, Ms. Supriya Murthy, Ms. Subhangi Singh, and Ms. Sakshi Shri. Announcer Ms. Sabila, quiz master Ms. Sakshi Shri, photography, video, and audio recording as well as editing by Mr. Nawaz and Mr. Aman. I would like to pay special thanks to Mrs. Pratiksha Dixit ma'am an ex-teacher of IJS who guided us and provided us with valuable inputs for our alumni meet. I would like to cherish the achievements of our star achievers of IJS older batches 2000 and before, namely Mr. Kaushik Kumar, Mr. Jishan Hadar, Mr. Jyoti Kumar, Mr. Anurag Arora, Mr. Amandeep Singh, and thank them for their heartwarming messages for we all IJS team. And last but not the least, I will take this opportunity to thank all the IJS alumni members for their incredible efforts despite their busy schedule to make this alumni meet happen. That's all from me. This is Prashant Kumar Jaiswal from 2000 batch signing off, hoping to have more memorable events in the future, keeping the IJS family bonded together, keeping well. Thank you.
When we were students, many of us had often wondered what our school looked like when we left the school, that is during the evening or at night. So here is a small surprise video for you. Enjoy and see you all next year, hopefully in person. Thank you. And before I sign off, I wish you all a very year, all of you stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Register your names. Teachers, please come here, all of you.
सबको फ्लावर नहीं दिख रहा है, एक्सक्यूज मी। अरे हम सबको फ्लावर है भाई, फ्लावर दिखा दो। इधर इधर इधर।
सर आइए प्लीज इनके साथ।
तकदीर पे के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है।
आप तो कहीं भी चले जाइए, इतना लंबा है।
और दूर से लेना।
तो काम लगा। Still waiting for support. Still waiting in the office. Please, please, please. Okay, sir. Thank you. Good night. Thank you.